Hello, dear students. Today I am going to explain the chapter 10 Comparing Quantities, Ratio and Proportion. First, we will discuss some important terms. First, ratio. The comparison between two quantities of the same kind and in the same unit by dividing one by the other is called ratio. Therefore, the ratio of two quantities A and B not equal to 0, is the fraction A by B, and it is written as A is to B. In the ratio A is to B, the quantities A and B are called the terms of the ratio. A is called the first term or antecedent, and B is called the second term or consequent. Next come to the ratio in simplest form. A ratio is said to be in its simplest form if its both the terms, that is, antecedent and consequent, have no common factor other than 1. A ratio in the simplest form is also called as the ratio in the lowest terms. For example, 4:12 can be expressed in its simplest form as 1:3. Then 4:12 both are divided by 4, because 4 is also a multiple of 4, 12 is also a multiple of 4. Then we can divide 4 and 12 both by the 4. Then we will get 1:3. Next come equivalent ratios. Ratios which can be expressed as one common ratio in their simplest form are known as equivalent ratios. You take one example. 1:2, 2:4, 3:6 represent the same ratio. These all can be expressed in their simplest form as 1:2. Now come to the exercise 10a. Question number 1. Express each of the following ratios in its simplest form. Roman 2. 6:7.5. We'll have to express this ratio in its simplest form. First, you write this ratio as the fractional terms, the 6/7.5. Now, we will have to omit this point. How? Then here you see in the numerator, we will have to multiply by 10. 6 into 10 divided by 75. Then 60/75. Now, to express this ratio 60/75 in its simplest form, first we will have to find out the HCF of these two terms, 60 and 75. Therefore, the HCF of 60 and 75 is 15. Now, you divide both the numerator and denominator by that HCF. 60/75 equal to 60 divided by 15, 75 divided by 15. Then 4/5. Then for this fraction, we can write it as the ratio 4:5. Therefore, the answer is 4:5. Similarly, you take the example 4. Here, mixed fraction is given. 3/4 is to 1/2. All of you already known how to break up this mixed fraction. 1:4 plus 3 in the numerator divided by 4 is to same as 1:2 plus 1 divided by 2. This will give you 7/4 is to 3/2. Now you take the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Now you multiply each term by that LCM. 7 by 4 into 4 is 2. 3 by 2 into 4. Then 4 gets cancelled 7, and here 2 and 4 gets cancelled. That means you will get 2. Then 7 is to 6. Answer is your 7 is to 6. Now you take example 5. Here 3 terms are given. Then 1 by 8 is to 1 by 10 is to 1 by 4. First, you take the LCM of all the denominators, that is 8, 10 and 4. The LCM of 8, 10 and 4 is 40. Now, you multiply each of the term by that 40. Then 1 by 8 into 40 is 2. 1 by 10 into 40 is 2. 1 by 4 into 40. Now you cancel 8 5s are 40, 10 4s are 40 and 4 10s are 40. Then 5 is to 4 is to 10. Thus the answer is 5 is to 4 is to 10. Next come to the example 6. 2.7 is to 6.3 is to 9. Then 27 by 10 is to 63 by 10 is to 9. You take all the denominators here. The LCM of all the denominators is equal to 10. Then you multiply all the terms by that 10. 27 by 10 into 10 is to 63 by 10 into 10 is to 9 into 10. 10 gets cancelled, 27 is to 10 gets cancelled, 63 is to 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Then all the terms are here, both are divided by 9. Then all the terms are here divided by 9. Then you divide all the terms by 9. Then 3 is to 7 is to 10. As the HCF of both the terms is 9. You solve the other sums in the same procedure. Question number 2. A student solved 6 out of 10 problems correctly. What is the ratio of the correct problems to the incorrect problems? Solution. Then total number of problems is equal to 10. Number of correct problems is equal to 6. Therefore, the number of incorrect problems is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. The HCF of 4 and 6 is 2. Therefore, the required ratio is equal to 6 is to 4. This is equals to 6 by 4. Then 6 divided by 2. Divided by 4 divided by 2. Then 3 by 2. 3 is to 2. Therefore, the answer is your 3 is to 2. Next, question number 4. There are 2000 students in a school. Out of them, 850 are boys and the rest are girls. Find the ratio of number 1, number of girls to the number of boys, and number 2, number of boys to the number of students. Solution. Total number of students is equal to 2000. Number of boys is equal to 850. Therefore, the number of girls is equal to 2000 minus 850 is equal to 1150. Therefore, the required ratio, number 1, the number of girls to the number of boys is equal to 1150 is to 850. Then 1150 by 850. Then 1150, both the numerator and denominator you divide by 5. That will give you 230 by 170. You cancel this 0, 0. Then 23 by 17. This will equal to 23:17. Therefore, the answer is 23:17. Then number 2, the required ratio is equal to 850:2000. Then 850 by 2000, you first cancel 100. Then 85 by 200. Then both numerator and denominator divided by 5. That will give you 17 by 40. Then 17:40. Then answer is your 17:40. Question number 6. A school basketball team owns 6 matches of the 10 matches played by them during one academic session. What is the ratio of number 1, number of matches owned to the number of matches played? Number 2, number of matches owned to the number of matches lost. Number 3, number of matches played to the number of matches lost. Solution. Total number of matches played is equal to 10. Number of matches owned is equal to 6. Therefore, the number of matches lost is equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Number 1, required ratio is equal to number of matches owned to the number of matches played. 6:10, 6 by 10, then 6 divided by 2, divided by 10 divided by 2, 3 by 5. Therefore, 3:5. Answer is your 3:5. Number 2, required ratio is equal to the number of matches owned to the number of matches lost. 6:4, 6 by 4. Both numerator denominator divided by 2, 2. Then 3 by 2, 3:2. Answer is your 3:2. Number 3, required ratio is equal to number of matches played to the number of matches lost is equal to 10:4. 10 by 4, both are divided by 2, 5 by 2, therefore is equal to 5:2. Answer is your 5:2. Example 8. In a town, there are 96,000 females and 80,000 males. Find the ratio of number 1, females to males, and number 2, males to total population. Solution. Number of females is equal to 96,000. Number of males is equal to 80,000. Therefore, total number of population is equal to 96,000 plus 80,000 is equal to 1,76,000. Number 1, required ratio of females to males. Then females, number of females 96,000 is to number of males 80,000. Then 96,000 by 80,000. First you cancel all the zeros. Next 96 by 80. You cancel it by, or you can divide it both the terms by 4. Then here I cancel both the terms by 4. That will give you 24 by 20. Again by 4, 6 by 5. Therefore, this is equals to 6 by 5. 6:5. Answer is your 6:5. 2. Required ratio of males to total population is equal to number of males is your 80,000 and total population is 1,76,000. Then 80,000 by 1,76,000, you cancel all the zeros first. Then 80 by 176. Now you cancel. After cancellation, we will get 5 by 11. 5:11. Therefore, the answer is 5:11. Example 9. Aditya walks 18 kilometers in 4 hours and Vihan walks 11 kilometers in 2 hours. Find the ratio of their speeds. First, we know that the formula of speed is equal to distance by time. Now, the distance covered by Aditya is equal to 18 kilometers and the distance covered by Vihan is equal to 11 kilometers. time taken by Aditya is equal to 4 hours and time taken by Vihan is equal to 2 hours. Therefore, Aditya's speed is equal to 18 by 4. Then after cancellation, you will get 9 by 2 kilometer per hour. And Vihan's speed is equal to 11 by 2 kilometer per hour. Therefore, the required ratio of their speeds is equal to 9 by 2 is to 11 by 2. Then, here you see both the denominators are 2, 2. Then the LCM of this two denominator is 2. Then you multiply both the terms by 2. Then 9 by 2 into 2 is 2. 11 by 2 into 2. 2 gets cancelled. 9 is to 11. Answer is your 9 is to 11. Try to solve question number 3, question number 5 and question number 7 in the same procedure. Question number 10. Express each of the following ratios in simplest form. Number 2. 85 paisa to rupees 5. We know that rupees 1 equal to 100 paisa. Therefore, rupees 5 equal to 5 into 100 equal to 500 paisa. Therefore, 85 paisa to 500 paisa is equal to 85 by 500. Now you cancel it. Then by 5, I have cancelled here it by 5. 17 by 100. Therefore, 17 by 100. This equal to 17 is to 100. Answer is your 17 is to 100. Question number 8. 8 months to 3 years. Then first we will have to convert these years to months. Then 8 months is to 3 years. 8 months is to 1 year equal to 12 months. Therefore 3 years equal to 3 into 12 months. Then equal to 8 months is to 36 months. Then 8 by 36. Then both the numerator and denominator we divide by 4. Then 8 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4. Then 2 by 9. Therefore 2 is to 9. Therefore the answer is your 2 is to 9. The solutions of other sums are given in your PDF. Try to solve it from the PDF. Question number 17. Solve the following. Number 1. If A is to B equal to 2 is to 5 and B is to C equal to 3 is to 7, find A is to C. Given A is to B equal to 2 is to 5 and B is to C equal to 3 is to 7. That implies A by B is equal to 2 by 5 and B by C is equal to 3 by 7. Now we multiply both the ratios. Then A by B into B by C is equal to 2 by 5 into 3 by 7. Now here you see, if you want to cancel crosswise, then B gets cancelled. Here also in the same way, is nothing is to be cancelled here. You simply multiply the numerator and denominator. 2 into 3 will give you 6. 5 into 7 will give you 35. Therefore, A by C is equal to 6 by 35. Hence, A is to C is equal to 6 is to 35. Question number 18, Roman 2. If A is to B equal to 7 is to 8 and B is to C is equal to 2 is to 5, then find A is to B is to C. Now the solution. To find A is to B is to C, B has to made equal in both the cases, in both the ratios. In the first ratio, A is to B equal to 7 is to 8, the value of B is 8. And in the second ratio, B is to C equal to 2 is to 5, the value of B is 2. Now, the LCM of 8 and 2 is your 8. Therefore, you will have to make both the B is equal to 8, then A is to B equal to 7 is to 8, and B is to C equal to 2 is to 5 is equal to 2 by 5. You will have to make this 2 as 8. Then 2 by 5 into 4 by 4. Then 2 4s are 8 divided by 5 4s are 20. This is equal to 8 is to 20. Therefore, A is to B is to C is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 20. Answer: A is to B is to C is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 20. Other homeworks are given in your PDF. Please refer to it and do the homeworks.